Alright guys, today we are going to work with what happens when we have groups of coins all together. So, I see here, this problem says I found 5 dimes in my old wallet. How many cents do I have? So I'm going to circle 5 dimes. And then I'm going to draw a picture. 1 dime. Whoops. 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cents are in 1 dime? Good, 10. So I'm going to write 10 on each of my dimes. So I remember that's how many cents. Whoops. Alright. Now I need to know how many cents I have, so I have to add all these together. I could do 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 and break it up and then keep going and going and going. But I don't need to do that because 10 is a good number to skip count by. So I don't even think I need this equation here. For this problem, I can just skip count. 10, 20, 30, 40. And what comes next? 50. Good. So I have 50 cents. Awesome sauce. All right. Now, I also found 8 pennies in my couch. How many cents do I have? All right, so how many cents are in 1 penny? Right, 1 cent. So if I have 8 pennies, each one is worth 1 cent. Now, I need to add them all together. Or, what I could have done was I could have just thought, well, 8 pennies, and each penny is only worth 1 cent, so it's worth the same amount as this number here, right? Because 1 plus 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 1 is how many? 8. I have 8 cents. Okay. All right. Now, I'm at the grocery store. And of course, I have my mask on. I found 7 nickels on the floor. How many cents do I have? 7 nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many cents are in 1 nickel? 5. I'm writing 5. Okay. Now, just like we did with dimes when we counted by tens, we can just skip count by fives to find how many cents, because skip counting by fives is one of our favorite things to do. So we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. What do I have now? 35. So I have 35 cents. Good. All right. Come on. There it is. I found 3 quarters on the ground in the parking lot. How many cents do I have? 3 quarters. How many cents are in 1 quarter? Our biggest coin. How many cents are in 1 quarter? Or, well, yeah, it is the biggest and it's also worth the most. Good. 25 cents. And I found 3 on the ground. Okay, so I probably can't count by 25s. So I'm going to add these together. I'll start with 25 plus 25. 25 plus 25. I'm going to break it up. Whoops. Into my groups of 10 and 1. Okay. Now let's add, let's add our groups of 10 together. So 20 plus 20 is what? 40. Let's add our ones together. 5 plus 5 is 10. 40 plus 10 is what? 50. Good. So we have 50 cents plus 25. 50 plus 25. Okay, so we'll add these guys together. 50 plus 20 is what? 70. And 70 plus 5 is what? 75. So how many cents do I have? I have 75 cents. Good. So we worked today with adding when we have groups of the same coin. We don't always have groups of the same coin. So tomorrow we will work on what to do when we have groups of different coins. All right, good job, scholars.